Hello all, my name is Krosh Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about 1 crore package for data scientist. So yes, again, I'm kidding. Okay, guys, this video is just an experimentation purpose because if I probably write this title, I really want to see that how many people will click the link and probably see the video. But one important point I really want to say in this video is that guys, please focus on skill sets. Okay, trust me, package will never be a problem if you're talented, if you're able to perform well in the interview, what all kind of projects you have actually done, what all kind of hard work you have actually done, and what skill sets you have actually gained. The more number of skill sets, the more amazing packages you will be getting, right? The more good you are at your specific work, the more better it is. I think everybody has seen the Three Idiots movie, right? If you're talented, package is going to come anyhow. You'll get multiple opportunities. Okay. But nowadays, people focus more on 1 CR package, 2 CR package. Again, my suggestion is that would be good. Was that kind of videos, but this was just a kind of experimentation video for you all because I really want to still say that okay, any number of videos you watch with respect to package, the most important thing is that how you're gaining your skill sets. Okay, and you let me know in the comment section whether you want this kind of crore package. I have a lot of friends, probably in 1 month I can upload 100 videos like this. I have a lot of friends in India, I have a lot of friends in foreign countries. Not only 1 crore package, they have huge amount of packages also, right? So um, let me know that whether you want this kind of videos or whether you want technical content videos. Okay, because I see that people are not at all interested in technical content, but instead they're interested in other videos where they're talking about packages. Okay, I'm not talking about anyone as such. uh, there's just to for my content purpose, like what kind of content you really want, you just let me know. Okay, and let me talk about the reality of 1 crore package in India also, guys. Right, when they say 1 crore package, right, it's like there's again an amazing proverb. हाथी के दांत दिखाने के अलग और खाने के अलग, right? So that 1 crore package, right, whatever it will be, they'll be getting that less amount of enhanced salary only, right? And there will be various components like stocks, shares, ESOPs probably, right? Different things, different components will be there, and include 30% tax also. Okay, that is also there, super important thing, right? I still remember I have one of my cousin brother who's still working in US from past 12 years, right? But still he's not able to save money even though his package is very high. Sometimes he also finds it difficult to basically, hire servants, right? So this is the situation. So don't get impressed by this crore package, but instead get impressed by the technical content that you know and the skill sets that you basically know. Again, not to hurt anyone, this is just an experimentation video. I really wanted to check that how many people click this kind of video. But if you're really interested in this kind of video, I can probably upload this kind of video a lot. As said, I'm in the industry from past 12 plus years and I have many friends who have some amazing packages like this, right? So yes, let me know in the comment section. And how did you like this experimentation video? I know you have definitely clicked it. If you have clicked it, make sure that you like it and make sure that you subscribe it, and make sure that you also comment down your opinion regarding this, right? And this was it from my side. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.